If Steam is giving you a fatal error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step, starting with the easiest solutions first, and then moving into deeper repair options if the problem still stays on your PC. This is the kind of issue that can stop Steam from opening properly, block downloads, or even prevent a game from launching. So let's fix it the right way without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC and gaming fixes. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to try is running Steam as an administrator. This is a simple fix, but it can solve permission issues that may be causing the fatal error. Find your Steam shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu, then right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, then OK. Now launch Steam again and see if the error is gone. Sometimes Steam just needs elevated permissions to access the files and services it needs to run properly. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to clear the download cache inside Steam. Open Steam and go to Settings, then click Downloads. Inside that menu, look for the Clear Download Cache option. Click it and confirm when Steam asks you to proceed. This will remove temporary download data that may be corrupted or stuck, which can sometimes trigger launch or connection errors. After the cache is cleared, Steam will usually ask you to sign in again, so just log back in and test it. Next, fully close Steam and restart your PC. Don't just click the X in the corner and assume it's closed, because Steam can keep running in the background. Open Task Manager, find all Steam processes and end them completely, then restart your computer. A clean reboot can fix temporary software conflicts, refresh system services, and clear out anything that may be interfering with Steam in the background. After your PC turns back on, open Steam again and check whether the fatal error still appears. If the error happens when launching a game rather than opening Steam itself, you should try repairing your Steam library folder. Go back into Steam Settings, then open Downloads, and find Steam library folders. From there, right-click the library path that contains your games and choose Repair Folder. This option checks the library structure for issues and can fix file path problems or broken permissions that may be stopping your game from loading correctly. Another important thing to check is your Windows date and time. It might sound unrelated, but incorrect time settings can block secure connections and cause Steam authentication problems. Open your Windows settings and make sure the date and time are set automatically. If they are already on, turn them off and back on again, then let Windows resync the clock. If your system time is wrong, Steam may have trouble verifying connections and throw a fatal error. Now let's move on to a stronger fix. Close Steam completely again, then open the Windows search bar and type %LocalAppData%. Open that folder, and inside it, locate the Steam folder. Delete the Steam folder from LocalAppData. Don't worry, this does not usually remove your games, but it can clear out corrupted local files and broken settings that Steam stores on your PC. Just keep in mind that you may need to log in again after this step, so have your Steam account details ready before you do it. If you're still getting the error, your Firewall or Antivirus could be blocking Steam. Some security tools are a little too aggressive and may prevent Steam from connecting properly or accessing certain files. Temporarily disable your Firewall or Antivirus for a moment, then try opening Steam again. If Steam starts working, then you found the cause. In that case, add Steam to your Firewall or Antivirus exceptions so it won't get blocked in the future. Just remember to turn your protection back on afterward. And if none of those fixes work, the final step is to reinstall Steam. This is usually the last resort, but it can repair corrupted program files without deleting your games if you do it correctly. Download the latest Steam installer from the official Steam website and run it over your current installation. This can replace broken files while keeping your game library intact. After the reinstall finishes, launch Steam again and test it one more time. By now, one of these fixes should have solved your Steam fatal error. The most common solutions are running Steam as administrator, clearing the download cache, and checking your Windows time settings, so definitely start with those first. If you want more easy gaming and PC troubleshooting tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. And if this video helped you get Steam working again, hit the like button so more people can find it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.